being that it's Mother's Day, I thought I would paint myself a little cup of tea. It is very reminiscent of me to have tea with my mom on Mother's Day. However, she passed a year ago and I'm not able to do that. So I thought I would share with you a colorful version of my teacup, which I'm going to implement my very popular floral oasis into this design. Now, this is going to be probably the first of maybe 2 or 3 parts, and I want to go over a few different things. First of all, this is a typical design that I would do years ago. My style is evolving and changing. However, I still embrace and really enjoy my pop art style, and I'm never going to just deviate from that. But this piece is going to be very special. It not only is going to encompass and embrace all of these amazing, really beautiful pop art colors, I'm going to be adding in some mixed media into this and some other really cool pen effects. Specifically, a lot of the effects that I'm doing with my fine micron pens and my Sharpies, along with my white Posca pens and so much more. I am really enjoying this process, and I encourage you to double tap, like, and comment. Follow me for parts 2, 3, and maybe 4. Let's have some tea, shall we?